After 2 days and 1 night,
We survived Mount Pico de Loro! Count off!
Count up! 1,
3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10!
11!
Instruments and persons are counted and complete.
Grabe, ang saya-saya na experience namin. Kabababa lang namin ng Pico de Loro and we had so much fun.
Kwento mo si Miss Ella.
And actually guys, we will be on TV on Sunday. This, anong progress ba yun? Net 25!
9 p.m.
9 p.m. 9 p.m. We will be there, okay?
Destination
Kashas.
Philippines.
Destination Philippines, 9 p.m. Net 25. And me also, and with my friends.
Yay! Well done!